Hi guys, this is Rae Wangari. Thanks so much for coming back. Today we'll be making chicken stew. So all you need to make this delicious chicken stew is raw chicken, some salt and pepper. This is a stew you can put in your fridge and it's going to stay for 3 to 5 days. All you need is cayenne pepper, salt and chicken. So that's all you need to season, and then just fry the chicken. This will help to develop the flavor, so just remove it from the heat as soon as it's golden brown or dark brown, I guess as brown as you want it. If you like, preferably, or if your pan is small, just fry in small batches, 2 to 3 batches. That will help you to fry all your chicken and get all the golden brown color on the chicken. So just fry it in 2 to 3 batches. In this video I've only done 2 batches. So after that you will just chop up your veggies. This is eggplant. Just chop up some eggplants. So we have 2 eggplants in this video, and then 1 big onion or medium-sized onion, which we will use to develop the flavor. We have other veggies like tomatoes, which is really yummy and it's also good for the flavor, of course. So we also have coriander. Coriander is also known as parsley and it's delicious. We have carrots. This is very yummy again. It's really essential to have carrots in your stew because not only is it healthy, it's also really delicious. You can chop it up and also grind it. So after chopping up your carrots, just remove your chicken from the pan. You will be prepping your veggies as the chicken is frying, and these are the veggies. So just chop them up and grind as you like. Add some oil. This is oil we use from the chicken. So just fry some onions, some green bell pepper, which is also known as capsicum. And then after frying them, you just add your eggplant and tomatoes, and then just stir it all up, and then add your carrots, which you have chopped and also grated. This will soften your veggies. So after these first 5 veggies are soft, add your potatoes. The potatoes are also chopped. Please don't add big potatoes. We want them to cook evenly. After the potatoes, the fried chicken will go in, and 2 packs of tomato paste. Tomato paste is so delicious and it's really good for your stew. It adds the tomato flavor without the tomatoes. So in addition to that, we'll be adding soy sauce, which adds a really yummy taste. And then this is a vegetable seasoning salt or seasoning powder we have. And then we have cayenne pepper. The previous one was paprika, and paprika is for the color and cayenne is for the flavor. We will just want to add a little kick to the food, which also enhances the taste, and also it makes it more appetizing. You get more appetite. In case you want your soup to be thick, add some water to some wheat flour, stir it up just like so. After mixing up your flour, you'll add it to your soup.